Okay. What? Okay.
So when next time come, you give me discount.
I'm thinking about
I'm serious, I'll come back. Sorry, I'm not selling you, but if I can get discount, I'll be happy.
discount for what? Discount for what? What kind of work? Yes, you can. We're supposed to know this.
What did you say?
Let it go. Wait. Oh, yeah, something like that. Are you ready? Hi guys, so we're here at JT Co. Food and drinks, yeah. And it's amazing. Myself, Adekunle, say hi.
We're here with iChef. iChef is our
Hi
stand.
chef, you can see the vibe. Chee! Come have your shot, your drinks, and all that good stuff. Come have a good time. Chee!
We're here today, tomorrow, and Sunday, 26, 27, 28.
Come and catch Bad Boy Dex.
Exactly. You know who knows? You might actually see me and Saga here.